Hey everyone, it's Bill from Team Creative Connections. Wanted to show you the newest product that we just got in. It's a foldable waterproof container with a solar light. Yeah, there's a solar panel on top that you can actually charge the light up, and it acts like a lantern. So there's a low setting and then a high setting, and then it even has a blinking setting in case you want to use it out on a boat. It makes a great hazard warning, but great for camping, great for situations where you may be out of power. Hurricane season is coming, so it makes a great product for that. Great around the water because, like I said, inside it's waterproof. So you can actually, if you take it apart and take the collar off, I have an iPhone 8, it'll actually fit inside of that, and I'll show you that in a moment. But I wanted to show you the charging capability. So we talked about the solar panel, but then it also comes with a charge cable, and it has a micro USB connection in there, so that once you plug that in, you plug this into your USB charging device, and then you're able to charge the battery aside from the solar option of charging. So if you take the collar system here off, what happens is the opening becomes a little larger. So like I said, I have an iPhone 8, and so that'll fit right in there. Also, you can put your keys in there. Whatever it is that you're out and about with that you want to keep waterproof, you can put in there and also use it as a lantern. If you look over here, you can see some pricing that'll pop up. You can see at 100, they're rated at just under $14.50. I think $14.35 is the price. So if you'd like some more information, Bill at teamcc1.com, or you can check out our website, teamcc1.com. We'll talk soon.